Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Intel's Flagship Arc Limited Edition Gaming Graphics Card. So friend, at Intel's Extreme Master 2022 show, the blue team has showcased its Flagship Arc Limited Edition Discrete Graphics Card for high-end gaming PCs. And friend, this card will feature the Flagship ACM-G10 Alchemist GPU configuration in stunning body, which features the aluminum accents around the sides and all-black shroud design. And friend, the close-up shots look identical to the teaser that Intel showcased during on event, and we can also see that the card is powered by an 8+6 pin connector configuration, which means a maximum watt power of 300 watt. And friend, there is a more noticeable view of I/O bracket with these new photos that uses 3 DisplayPort connectors and single HDMI connection. And friend, Intel has confirmed that the new ARC Alchemist will begin graphics card architecture to support the newest DisplayPort 1.4 and HDMI 2.0p interfaces. And friend, from this observation, the card is possibly the 16GB model, so it is likely to be premium variant of the Flagship Arc 7A770 graphics card, which will utilize the full ARC ACM-G10 GPU with 32 Xe cores. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.